But this is what my mom told me to do. So she taught me how to take a deep breath and open up my daisy petals. And that helps me feel less shy, Belly. Will we try it?
Oh, yeah, come on. You want to try
Will
it?
we try it? Okay, put your paws out in front and open your fingers wide, like daisy petals. And open your fingers up wide. Yeah, like daisy petals, exactly. Now breathe in slowly through your nose. And close up your petals. And as you breathe out, open up your petals and you can make a humming sound. Oh, excellent. So will we do it again? So breathe in slowly through your nose. Close your petals. And as you breathe out, open up your petals and you can make a humming sound. Like the bees coming to feed on the daisies. Excellent. Well, let's do some more. So breathe in and the petals close. And breathe out and open up those petals. Yeah. Really good. One more time. Breathe in. Close the petals. And out.
Does that make her better now, Belly?
You know what? I do feel better. Thank you. And thank you, Whizz.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi, everybody. My name's Belly.
And I'm Whizz.
And we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Belly and Whizz.
On RTÉ Jr.
And the RTÉ Player.